God, I want to be a racist so much. I just love how they're better than everybody.
The fuck you say? Bitch, I'll slam your waist.
I didn't mean anything by it. I just want to be a racist.
Oh, bro, I will slam you the fuck out.
Please don't hurt me, scary black man. I didn't mean anything.
Why the fuck you want to be a racist, man?
I just think they're really cool and I want to be one when I grow up. What's so wrong with that?
Oh, hell no, this young cracker's tweaking. Bitch, line him up.